In today's video, I'm going to help you choose between Jira and Trello, so you can pick the right project management tool for your workflow in 2026. If you've ever felt confused about which one is better for your team, your projects, or even just personal task management, this video will clear everything up. We'll look at what Jira is best for, what Trello is best for, and how to decide which one actually fits your needs. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides like this. All right, let's get started. First, let's talk about Jira. Open your browser and head over to Jira. Jira is a powerful project management tool built mainly for software development teams and agile workflows. It's designed to handle complex projects with lots of moving parts. In Jira, you'll usually see boards like Scrum or Kanban boards, where tasks are broken down into issues, stories, bugs, and epics. One of the biggest reasons to use Jira is its advanced tracking and reporting. You can track progress with burn-down charts, sprint reports, velocity tracking, and detailed workflows. Jira is especially useful if your team follows agile or scrum methodologies and needs strict control over task statuses, assignments, and deadlines. It also integrates deeply with development tools like Bitbucket, GitHub, and Confluence. So if you're working with developers, product managers, or large teams that need structure and accountability, Jira is often the better choice. However, all that power can feel overwhelming if your projects are simple or if you're just getting started. Now let's switch over to Trello. Go to Trello and open a board. Trello is known for its simplicity and visual layout. Everything in Trello is based on boards, lists, and cards. You can quickly create a board, add lists like to do, doing, and done, and move cards between them as work progresses. This makes Trello extremely easy to learn and use, even for beginners. One of the main reasons to use Trello is its flexibility. You can use it for personal tasks, content planning, small team projects, or even daily to-do lists. Trello doesn't force complex workflows, which is great if you want something lightweight and fast. You can still add power with features like labels, checklists, due dates, and integrations, but it stays simple at its core. If your team values speed, clarity, and minimal setup, Trello is often the better option. So how do you choose between Jira and Trello? It really comes down to complexity and team needs. If you're managing large projects, software development cycles, or agile sprints with detailed reporting, Jira is the better fit. If you're managing simple projects, creative workflows, or personal tasks and want something easy to maintain, Trello is the smarter choice. Many teams even start with Trello and move to Jira later as their projects grow more complex. And that's how you choose between Jira and Trello. If this video helped you make a decision, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more software comparison and tutorial videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.